Welcome to Mock Trial presentation by Ernest Peters. During this real-life crime trial, you get to be the prosecutor, the defense attorney, or the jury member. Each person will have a key role in the courtroom process. You'll work in groups divided by those sections. And as a prosecutor, you'll want to get justice and retribution, as the defense wants to protect their client from the all-powerful government. The jury will have the biggest task at hand is to gather and use the evidence to determine whether their suspect is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt or whether the suspect is innocent, and then they must acquit. My hook says there are famous American criminal justice trials, including O.J. Simpson, who captivated the American audience for over 3 months with the famous trial and famous quote of, "If it doesn't fit, you must acquit." And Simpson was later acquitted, that being one of the key instances is why he was acquitted. Or let's go back in time to Lizzie Borden, who was accused and later acquitted of killing her father and stepmother with an axe. And forever immortalized with the skip rope rhyme, Lizzie Borden took an axe and gave her mother 40 whacks. When she saw what she had done, she gave her father 41.
Didn't fit. Remember these words. If it doesn't fit, you must acquit.
When she saw what she had done, she gave her father 41.
So this group project is a 3-day project. The students will be divided into 3 different groups: prosecution, defense, and jury. During this time, they will get a criminal case, and they must determine the course of action and prepare their case for trial. The prosecution will determine the crimes that have been committed and that they're going to charge and how to proceed into the case. The defense, based on the information and evidence that they have, will have to determine how they're going to defend their client. And the jury will gather all of that information through the presentation of trial, and they must determine guilt or innocence. A representative from the district attorney's office, usually a deputy district attorney, will be present to guide the trial. They sit and preside over the trial as the judge. During the process of trial prep, they will have the audience of the district attorney, deputy district attorney, and the deputy district attorney will be able to answer questions and how the process works and throughout the project. Prior to this, they'll be able to actually view court in the actual courtroom and see how court process works. Once the determination by the jury has been complete, each student will have to write a 2-page report on the activity through the mock trial process, which includes 10 things that they learned about the entire process. They'll also complete a small quiz on courtroom terminology. And the last thing the students do is evaluate the other persons in their groups in terms of collaboration, overall skill, and what they brought to the project. So let's get started. This sounds like a lot of fun.